Chitradurga, Karnataka. In a bizarre ritual, a boy was paraded naked at a droughted hit village in Chitraguda district to please the rain god. The incident happened in Pandarahilli on June 10th, with the video of the incident going viral. The video shows water being poured upon the boy, after which villagers perform the puja. The naked boy is then made a carry idle in the village amid some chanting and beating of drum by the villagers. The boy is later offered new clothes as per the practice prevalent in the village to propitiate the rain god. According to villagers, an adolescent boy was chosen for ritual.
Do not forget to subscribe our channel.